Hey Daniel, it's me, Sai. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, and I'm glad we met here on our cross-country trip. And to end things off with me, I am going to make some hospital sounds with my hospital bedpan ukulele. The first thing I will make just had to be tuned. So one sound I can make is the Siemens blood sugar thingy. You know, they pinch your finger, but it sounds like this after the thing has been transferred. It sounds like this. See, the thing spins inside. So to make that sound, you just put your finger on the second fret and pluck rapidly. And to make another sound we heard another sound I can make is the heart monitor that we had at Marlborough Hospital, and it sounded like this. Another sound is this, another heart monitor. So these sounds I actually picked up by using the bedpan ukulele when Dad had his appointment. We heard the blood sugar from him, we heard the heart monitor. Another monitor in a different room sounded like this. And when we went to my favorite hospital in Worcester for pizza, we heard sounds like this. This is a Philips monitor. See the difference in the pitch? For the original Philips, it makes two different notes. One goes slower and one goes fast. Another sound we heard was those big monitors that look like picture frames, and they made a noise like this. Yep, so they make noises like that. And in my early childhood days, when I was very little, we heard sounds in that same hospital like this. We also heard this set from the same machine they had. So this was back when I was with my Nana and my old grandparents, but they passed away. Another sound we heard was this. It was from a nurse call system. And another nurse call sound is this. And another one is this. And we all know the defibrillator sounds. Stand clear, push to shock. So there you have it. Those are the hospital sounds I knew on my bedpan ukulele after I got this. So, hope you will like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, Daniel. Hope to meet you again someday.